Hello everyone, we'll continue lesson number 3, a trip to Bhopal, and the topic of word problem which we have started on our last session. So first question of this session is, Shubh cycled down to his grandmother's house from his house. He started at 9 a.m. Okay, so he started at 9 a.m. a.m. means at morning. He cycled for half an hour. So first he cycled half an hour, then took 15 minutes break. How many minutes he took break? For 15 minutes, okay? And cycled again for another half an hour, and then cycled again. What time did he reach his grandmother's house? So first of all, we have to find out how many minutes he took in cycling. So to find out, we have to calculate, that means we have to add. Then we'll start from, see, he cycled for half an hour. So here we have to know 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. Okay, now come again. He cycled for half an hour. So half an hour means 30 minutes. 30 minutes he cycled. Then after cycled he took break for 15 minutes. So that will be added. He took break, and then after 15 minutes he started cycling again. So cycled again for another half an hour. That means half an hour means 30 minutes. Cycled again. Now we have to add to find out total time he took in cycling. So 0 plus 5 plus 0. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Now see, here is 75 minutes. So as we know, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, and here is 75 minutes. So first of all, see, he started at 9 a.m. So to start, we have to write here hour and minute. Now on which time he started? At 9 a.m. So we will write here 9. And no any minutes are there, so we have to put here 0. And he took time in cycling 75 minutes. So 75 minutes. Okay. Now in that time he started from his house, and 75 minutes he took. So we will add. Okay, now see, 9 hours 75 minutes, then this one, when we see this is 75 minutes, we have to separate 75 minutes because we can't write as a 75 minutes. 60 minutes plus 15 minutes, because when 60 minutes will complete it will be called as 1 hour. So this 1 hour, it will be converted in 1 hour. So this 1 hours will be added in 9. So 9 plus 1 is equal 10. And after this 15 minutes will be remain here. So here in the place of 75 minutes, we have to write here 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, so answer will be 10, 15 and AM. So what is the question? What time did he reach his grandmother's house? So answer will be Shubh reached at how many time? 10:15 a.m. Okay. So student, one thing you should keep in your mind whenever you will find out that types of answer, that means 75 minutes. So as we know, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay. So here is 75 minutes. So we have to convert it where 60 minutes will come. यानी कि जहाँ पे 60 minutes हो जाते हैं, that will be converted in 1 hour. So see, we have to separate it 60 plus 15. So 75 minus 60, 15 minutes are remain. So that will be, we will write it as a 15 minutes. Okay. We'll move to the next question. Second number, a boat makes a 15 minutes round trip. That means in 15 minutes, one round trip. Okay, a boat means one boat. How many trips will the boat make in 2 hours? So here we should know 2 hours means how many minutes. So in 1 hour, 60 minutes. So 2 hours, 120 minutes. 60 multiplied by 2. So we'll start from statement. Again, 15 minutes round trip. Okay. In 15 minutes round trip 1. In 15 minutes, how many round trip? 1 round trip. So in 2 hours means 120 minutes. So in 120 minutes, how many round trips? Okay, 15 मिनट में 1 राउंड ट्रिप, तो 120 मिनट में कितने राउंड ट्रिप बोट करेगा? सो टू फाइंड आउट वी हैव टू डू डिवीजन हियर. 120 मिनट्स डिवाइड बाय 15 मिनट्स. Then see, the first step is look at the first digit. It is less than 15, so we have to take one more. So 12. But again it is not a greater than 15. So we have to take this one also. That means 120. So take the table of 15. In 15 table, 120 will come on 8 times. So 15 8s are 120. So answer we get 8. 8 round trips. What is the question? How many trips will the boat make in 2 hours? So answer is a boat will make 8 round trips. Okay, next question is, due to fog, a train which was supposed to reach a station at 5 p.m. So, this is the time which was supposed to reach the train and got delayed by 2.5 hours. Okay, 2.5 hours. When did the train reach the station? So, first of all, see which is the time that was supposed to reach the train. Here we write hours and here we write minutes. 5. Suppose 5 p.m. that is the time which was supposed to reach the train. Okay, and it got delayed by 2.5 hours. So 2, here we have to write, and half hour means 30 minutes. Okay, so you have to remember that. So 2 hours and 30 minutes got delayed. इस टाइम पे ट्रेन पहुंचने वाली थी, लेकिन ड्यू टू फॉग ट्रेन इज लेट. ओके, सो विच टाइम इट विल रीच? सो 5 plus 2 and half hour. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 3, 3, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So it is the time when train reached. Train reached. Now come to the question, when did the train reach the station? So answer is, the train reached at which time? 7:30. And AM or PM? So we have to see at the question PM. Okay. It is start from 5 PM को वो आने वाली थी और 2 hours and 30 minutes it was late. So when did it reach? It reached at 7:30 PM. Next question is, on my birthday, I distributed 5 toffees each to my 35 classmates. So here 5 toffees and each student get. And how many classmates are there? 35 classmates. And I had 12 toffees left with me. After distributed toffees, how many toffees left? 12 toffees. Okay. How many toffees did I take to school for my birthday at starting? Before distributed, how many toffees with me? So first of all, we have to find out how many toffees I distributed to my classmate. So we'll write statement. Okay, first of all, we should know how many students? 35 students. Each student gets 5 toffees. Okay, so one student, how many toffees? 5 toffees. So how many students are there? 35. So 35 students, how many toffees? To find out, see, value of 1 is given and value of more than is asking. So we will do here multiplication. 35 multiplied by 5. See, we'll start from 5. That number will be multiplied by first this one. 5 5s are 25. 5 will be here and 2 will be carry forward. Then 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 175 toffees distributed. Okay. After this, after distributed, how many toffees left with me? मतलब इतना distribute हो चुका है, उसके बाद भी 12 toffees मेरे पास में बच जाती है. So 175 distributed. Okay. How many toffees left? 12. Left toffees. इतनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड हो चुकी है और इतनी मेरे पास में अभी बच गई है आफ्टर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. सो अब हमको ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि वेन एवर आई केम टू स्कूल, हाउ मेनी टॉफीज विथ मी? सो 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8 and 1 plus 0 1. Total numbers of toffees. Okay, see, one student 5 toffees, so 35 students will get how many toffees? So 35 multiplied by 5 is equal to 175. Then 175 toffees already distributed. After distributing, how many toffees left with me? It is 12. So we will add it, 175 plus 12, so answer will be 187. That numbers of toffees when I came to school, the toffees with me. So question is that how many toffees did I take to school for my birthday? So answer will be how many toffees did I take? I took How many toffees? 187. I took 187 toffees to school. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now come to the next question. Question number 5. The scheduled time of arrival of the Rajdhani Express was 4:45 p.m. So, scheduled time of arrival of Rajdhani Express is 4:45 p.m. But it was late by 1 hour 20 minutes. So, when did it reach the station? So, actual time when train reached. So, first of all, when we calculate the problem sum of the timing, so we have to write like this. Here will be hours and minutes. Okay, first of all, the timing of arrival, schedule timing, 4:45. Schedule time of arrival. Okay, and it was late by how many minutes and hours? 1 hour and 20 minutes. It was late. So, to find out the actual time to reach, we have to do addition. So, we'll start from minutes. 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 2, 6, and 4 plus 1, 5. 565. Here, one thing you should keep in your mind here, 65 minutes are there. It is more than 60 minutes. So, when it is more than 60 minutes, it will be separated in C. 60 minutes will be converted in 1 hour. Okay, so when 60 minutes are there, it will be converted in 1 hour. इसमें से 60 minutes convert हो जाएंगे 1 hours में से. So, it will be added here. 60 minutes का 1 hour हो जाएगा और ये यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएगा. एंड आफ्टर 65 में से 60 मिनट्स यहाँ पे चले गए. दैट मीन्स कितने बचे? 65 minus 60 रिमेन विल बी 5 minutes. ओके, सो 5 minutes will be remain here. So here will be, we will write minutes it as a 5. So answer will be 5 plus 1 6 and 65 minus 60 is 5 p.m. Okay. Answer. When did it reach the station? The train reached at 6:05 p.m. Okay, next question is, a box has 6 eggs. How many eggs would be left it? From 18 such boxes, 23 eggs broke. First of all, see how many eggs in one box. A box, that means one box. In one box, 6 eggs are there. How many eggs would be left? 8 from 18 such boxes. So, how many boxes are there? 18 boxes. In one box, 6 eggs. So, 18 boxes, how many eggs? So, first of all, we will write statement. In one box, 6 eggs. Okay. So, in 18 boxes, how many eggs? So, value of 1 is given and value of more than is asking. So, we will do here multiplication. 18 multiplied by 6. See, 6 eggs are 48. So, 8 will be here and here will be 4. 4 will be carry forward. Now, 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 108 eggs. In 18 box, 100 eggs. So, how many eggs broke? 23 eggs broke. So, Total 108x. And how many x broke? 23. See, so total 108x are there. उसके अंदर से 23x टूट चुके हैं. Okay, so how many x are left? So to find out the answer, we have to do subtraction. Okay, so we'll start from ones place. 8 minus 3 is equal 5. Okay, next 0 minus 2 we can't do subtraction here, so we have to take borrow from 1. So it will be cut, and here we have to write 0, and here will be 10. Okay. So 10 minus 2 is equal 8. Now 0 minus 0, 0. 85x are left. Now see the question. How many x would be left if from 18 such boxes 23 x broke? So answer will be 85x are left. Okay. Now next question. 331 students went for a picnic. How many total students are there? 331. Out of which 7 students went in a van. 331 students में से 7 students van में चले गए. They went in van. Rest of the students went in 6 buses. How many buses are there? 6. How many students were in each bus if each bus had equal numbers of seats? First of all, we have to find out how many students are there so that they are going in bus. So first of all, how many students? 331 total students. Total students 331. Out of this, 7 students went in a van. So went in a van. Okay. Now how many students are left? So 1 minus 7 is not possible. So we have to take borrow from 3 numbers. So it will be cut, and we will write here 2. Here will be 11. Okay. Now 11 minus 7, 4. 2 minus 0, 2. And 3 minus 0, 3. 324 students went by bus. Okay, now see, for 324 students, how many buses are there? 6 buses. So 324 students, sorry, 6 buses, 324 students. ओके 6 बस में 324 स्टूडेंट जाएंगे. सो इन वन बस हाउ मैनी स्टूडेंट्स? So here value of more than is given and value of 1 is asking. So what will we do here? We will do here division. 324 divided by 6. Now see, here the first step is look at the first digit. It is 3. So we can't divide it because it is less than 6. So take one more. It is 32. Now take the table of 6. In 6 table 32 will come? No. But in 6 table 30 will come on 5 times. 6 5s are 30. Okay. 2 minus 0, 0. Now 3 minus 3, 0. And this number will be down. Now take the table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. So answer is 54. Now see the question, how many students were in each bus? So 54 students were in each bus. Okay students, now here we have completed our chapter number 3.